Hey there everybody, this is Mike Taylor with Firefighter Roofing, and here we are out at a gorgeous home in Aledo, and we are completely redoing the roof. And just wanted to let you know our company completely takes everything down to the decking so we can inspect it, and I want to show you something. It's a perfect example of why we do it. Here we have a decking piece that was completely rotted out that came off of a overhang, and if you do not remove the paper, there's no way you're going to see the rotten decking to replace it. And that is up there where the hole was. You can see the new board. Sorry, the video is probably not that great because it's a little high up there, but where you see the flashing, we will be putting ice and water shield completely up and around that to completely cover, so if there is any water that doesn't want to drain down, we will completely cover that with the ice and water shield, the 30-pound felt, and then the shingles, of course. But that is just something we do here at Firefighter Roofing. We completely do the full deck inspection, make sure everything is 100%. Thank you.